I want to introduce the first foundational pillar, which is neurological communication. This is the foundation. Your body heals through communication. Your brain and nervous system coordinate everything from movement to digestion to stress response to tissue repair. When that communication is clear, the body can adapt much more effectively. When that communication is disrupted, function begins to suffer. Most people do not think this way. They think in parts. My neck hurts. My stomach is off. My sleep is poor. My shoulders are tight. My mind feels foggy. But the real issue is often not the part that is complaining. The real issue is the control system that is no longer coordinating well. That is why restoring communication matters so much. If you get a cut, your body knows how to repair it. If you catch a cold, your body knows how to fight and recover. Life needs no help, just no interference. But when physical stress, chemical stress, or emotional stress overload the system, the body can become stuck in inefficient patterns. It may overreact, underperform, compensate, tighten, fatigue, lose resilience. When that happens, most people often feel as their body is no longer on their side. What I've found is that many people do not need more force. They need clearer communication and better regulation. That is one reason integrative chiropractic has a role inside a larger healing strategy. Not because the goal is simply to feel looser for a day, but because better communication can help the body organize itself more effectively. If you want health span, your nervous system has to remain adaptable. In the next video, I want to address something I see all the time, people who are eating healthy and still not getting the results they expected. So please download the Stress Response Self-Assessment to discover how well you are functioning.